Hi, it's Andrew and it's another glorious day and I'm here at Orchard Barn at Whiteley, just on the edge of Lifton. Very nice area, good access to Lifton village and also beautiful open countryside. And the property I'm going to show you in a moment is a 3 to 4 bedroom barn conversion, beautifully presented inside and out, and it's got the most amazing garden full of fruit trees and lawn. There's also a sweeping driveway and a garage, so come with me and let's see what this home has to offer. So there we go, that's Orchard Barn. So for more information, please contact Webbers, your sole selling agents, on 01566 77 6211. Thank you.